Hey guys, we will make a beautiful hairstyle. For that we'll be needing this beautiful hair accessories. So we will fix this thread by making the plaits, pull out the hairs from the sides, tie it all together and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie a ponytail using this rubber band and then we will make the plaits out of it. Make it as we are making. Here we are making a different type of plaits by dividing the hairs from the between, and it will look similar but the process is different. So watch it very carefully and make the plaits as we are making. So after we are done with the plaits, we will tie the hairs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Further, we will make a beautiful hairstyle. For that, we will take few hairs in the front and then make the plaits out of it. Okay, take the sections from the sides one by one. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. You can try this hairstyle on your kids when they are going to school or going to a party. It will look very beautiful. After we are done with this, we will tie all the hairs and make the normal plaits. Tie the hairs and it's ready. Further, we will make a beautiful hairstyle. For that, tie a ponytail, divide the hairs in two sections, make the plaits and then fold it upward and make a beautiful hairstyle. Now tie the hairs and it's ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.